Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall definitively Microsoft Office. There are two methods. So the first one is by going to your search tab and you type control panel and you click on it. You might have a view by small icons or by large icons, so I'll suggest you always to switch the category so that you are able to follow with the video. Next, we will go to program section and we will click on uninstall a program. And here we will try to locate Microsoft Office and we will click on it 2 times. And Windows will ask you if you want to remove. Otherwise, you can just click with the right button of the mouse and you select uninstall. And the uninstall process will start. If for any reason you are unable to uninstall it using the classical method, then what you can do, you can disinstall it using the installation file. You will find a link in the video description where you can download the installation package for Windows of Microsoft Office 2007, 2010, 2013 and 2016. After downloading the correct one, which is matching with your version of Microsoft Office, you will have to open the folder. You will have to go to Setup. We'll click on Setup and we'll start running it. You will have to wait a few seconds and this window will pop up. Change your installation of Microsoft Office version 2013. Make sure that you select the right version for yourself, and we will select here, instead of add or remove features, we will select remove, and we're gonna click remove. We're gonna click continue, and here it says, are you sure you want to remove blah blah blah. We'll just say yes, and the install process will start. You might need up to 10 or 15 minutes so that the installation is done. I will just pause the video until the install is complete and I will show you how the results look like. Now the installation process has been finished and Office has been disinstalled from my computer, so I will just go and click close. Now we can go again to control panel and we can check if Microsoft Office is still there or not. Again, we'll go to program section and install a program, and we'll look for Microsoft Office, and effectively there is no Office installed. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you and this method was useful to you also. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always send us an email or just write a comment on the video and we will reply to you and we will do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us to make more videos, you can always press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thanks for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.